this is Rita Valia. So today we will learn use of be infinitive. So let me tell you first that what we will study in this session. In this session we will learn what is the form of be, and we will also see what is infinitive. And when they are clubbed together, when they use together, how the sentences are formed. Let's study it with some examples. If there is an official arrangement, then how this be plus infinitive is used. Say for example, the Prime Minister is to visit America next month. Or if there is an official order. Say for example, at the end of the course, all students are to take a written exam. Let's see some more things that should be done. What am I to do? Okay, next we'll see if there's a prohibition. Say for example, you are not to do that again. So this infinitive is not used only in present form. So this is also used in past form. Say for example, Mr. Jones was to speak at the meeting. So let's study this way all with one more example. Example is, suppose my friends invite me to play football, but I have planned to study. So what should be my reply? Two examples there. Okay. One is there, if I reply, I have to study. One. Then, since I'm not obliged by someone else, should I use it? I have to study, or should I use it because I think I have made a plan, a firm plan, and I'm obliged by it. Now, second, I am to study. I find it stilted since it does not have connotation firmness. It just indicates a plan only. So, for learning more how to use of be plus infinitive, watch this video till end so that you will learn more. So before that, we will see that what is the form of be. So be form is of two types. One is present and another is past. Present form we have is am. Past form we have was, were. These are the form of be. So what is infinitive? So infinitive is the base form of a verb. It's a base form of a verb. So let's study all thoroughly. Now let's start this class. Learn the use of is am plus 2 plus v1, and this is infinitive. This v1, 2 plus v1, this pattern is known as infinitive. So why I have started this session today? So what happens in a day maximum, many times that we speak a lot of sentences, that in the sentences what we say that I have to go to the market, I have to shoot a video, I have to wash my clothes. So what happens, where we use has or have is only used when there is a compulsion. If there is no compulsion, a general way or general way you are speaking, then we only use is am are plus v2 and plus v1. This pattern is known as this is am are plus infinitive. So let's see first, here given subject. So subject is am are, again 2 plus v1. We will follow this pattern in these sentences. So subject, what is subject? Subject is this, the first word of the sentence. Okay, this is subject. So I am to. Am to, this am and to is to, are to. Then we one. I am to go. So to go is an infinitive. I am to go to the market. I am to go to the market. That means कि मुझे मार्केट जाना है. Clear? और मैं मार्केट जाने वाला हूँ. So let's see the next sentence. I am to shoot the video. I am to shoot the video. We are to attend the function. He is to fill up his application form. He is to fill up his application form. We are to play a match. We are to play a match. You are to write a letter. I am to send an email. मुझे email send करना है. करना ही है ऐसी compulsion इन sentences में कहीं पे भी नहीं है. So we will not use has or have every time whenever we speak. Okay, now see, this is the two sentences written here. Now let's see how these will be changed into negative or interrogative sentences. So first is given, I am to go to the market. So what pattern will be used here? The same, only we will add not. I am not to go to the market. So this sentence is a negative sentence. This is negative sentence. Not to. Now this one, next sentence. Am I to go to the market? क्या मुझे मार्केट जाना है? Am I to go to the market? Now this is interrogative sentence. So this sentence, one more way we can see, if I write here, why am I to go to the market? So मुझे मार्केट क्यों जाना है? Am I to? Why am I to go to the market? So this is an interrogative sentence. Interrogative. So next we have, we are not to play a match. We are not to play a match. Again not is here. So clear है. This is a interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence when no not comes. Okay. Now next we have, are we to play a match? क्या हमें मैच खेलना है? Are we to play a match? So another way, why are we to play a match? So these two sentences written at last are interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentences. So I hope you understood that how to use this pattern, is MR plus 2 plus V1. So now in the next we will do that how to use was verb plus infinitive. So you can take a screenshot of this first, okay? Then we will start was verb plus 2 plus V1. So you can take a screenshot now. In this, we will say use of was verb 2 plus V1, that is known as infinitive. In first, what we have seen, what we learned is MR, okay? Then infinitive. Now here we will learn was verb and infinitive. Okay, now see here, subject plus was and verb and infinitive. This pattern. Okay, this we will use here. मुझे अपने फ्रेंड को कॉल करना था. ओके, तो करना ही था ऐसा नहीं है, कंपल्शन नहीं थी यहाँ पे. I was to telephone to my friend. To telephone. This telephone is first form of the verb. So here my father was to go to office. Was to go to office. Here was, here also was. Sarita was to clean the house. My sister was to cook the food. We all were to attend the marriage. So here what we have seen, that whenever if we have singular subject is singular, then we use was. In case we have subject plural like you, they and we, okay, then we use were. Clear? I hope you have understood this one. Now let's see the sentences written this side. Ram was not to reach here today. Ram was not in a negative. Now that means it's a negative sentence. Ram was not to reach here today. So here this is negative sentence. Not. Was Ramesh to discuss with me? Was Ramesh to discuss with me? Sign of interrogation. And that shows that it's an interrogative sentence. So see the another way. If I write here, okay, one more sentence. Was she to wash the clothes? Now if I change the sentence, now if I write here, why was she to wash the clothes? उसे कपड़े क्यों धोने हैं? क्यों धोने ही है? No. As I told you that in each sentence we cannot use has or have. Okay, there are some rules in which we have done. We can make the sentences with the help of these also, like was, were and is and are also. So I hope you have liked this session. Do write the comment on the comment section and make more sentences. Okay, make the sentences and send sentences to me and type the sentences in the comment section. I will check the sentences there. Okay, thank you so much.